Avtomobil sphere brings you an in-depth look at T2025 Genesis G80, a luxury sedan that continues to redefine T-segment beach elegante, performante, and advanced technology. T80 stands as a testament to Genesis' growing reputation for blending premium design with competitive pricing and sophisticated engineering. For 2025, T80 sees subtle refinements that elevate its appeal while maintaining the strengths that have made it a standout in its class. From the moment you set eyes on T2025 G80, its sleek profile and bold-chested grille make a commanding impression. The long haut, fastback roofline, and signature toilene let headlights contribute to a distinctive and modern aesthetic. The rear design is equally striking with clean surfaces and dual exhaust outlets integrated into the bumper. Available in a range of elegant color options and wheel designs, the G80 caters to drivers who value both visual appeal and luxury presence. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G80 offers two primary powertrain options. The base engine is a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-four that produces 8 horsepower and delivers smooth and responsive acceleration. Ford has a seeking more performante, a 8.5-liter twin turbocharged V8 is available, pushing out 875 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers seamless gear shifts. Rear-wheel drive is standard while all-wheel drive is optional for enhanced traction and stability in various driving conditions. The G80's ride quality is one of its strongest attributes. Built on a robust platform, it offers a serene and composite driving experience with well-tuned suspension that absorbs road imperfections effortlessly. The available electronically controlled suspension with road preview uses cameras to anticipate road conditions and adjust damping for optimal comfort. Steering is precise and handling is confident, making it enjoyable to drive both in the city and on highways. Inside the cabin, the G80 presents a masterclass in luxury and refinement. The materials are top-notch with real wood trim, soft touch surfaces, and available nappa leather upholstery. The interior design emphasizes simplicity and spaciousness with a horizontal layout that flows gracefully across the dashboard. Ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof enhance the premium atmosphere. Technology is another strong suit of the 2025 Genesis G80. At the center of the dashboard is a large 4.5-inch infotainment display that supports touchscreen input as well as a rotary dial and voice control. The system is intuitive and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 2.8-inch digital instrument cluster and an optional head-up display provide important driving information in a clear and accessible manner. The Lechton premium sound system delivers rich audio quality that complements the serene cabin. Comfort features are abundant in the G80. The front seats are power adjustable and heated as standard with available ventilation and massage functions. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom and optional heated and ventilated seats as well. Dual-zone or available 3-zone climate control ensures that all occupants remain comfortable regardless of outside conditions. Additional amenities include wireless device charging, multiple sports, and an available rear seat entertainment system. Safety remains a priority for Genesis, and the 2025 G80 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard features include forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear thrust traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability. The highway driving assist system provides semi-autonomous driving support on highways, helping to reduce driver fatigue on long trips. A surround view monitor and remote smart parking assist further add to the convenience and security. One of the highlights of owning a Genesis is the brand's commitment to customer service. The 2025 G80 comes with a generous warranty package including a 1-year or per use min mile powertrain warranty. Additionally, Genesis offers complimentary maintenance and valet service for a limited period, enhancing the ownership experience. Geen compared to its competitors such as the BMW series Audi A6 and Mercedes-Benz Atlas, the Genesis G80 holds its ground which is. It delivers comparable levels of luxury and technology at a more attractive price point, making it a smart choice for buyers looking for value without compromising on quality. Genesis continues to refine its identity and the 2025 G80 is a reflection of that effort. It offers an elegant blend of performance, comfort and innovation wrapped in a distinctive design that stands out in a crowded luxury market. Whether you are a driving enthusiast or someone who simply enjoys the finer things in life, the G80 promises an experience that feels well beyond its price tag. The 2025 Genesis G80 is not just a car, it is a statement of progress and sophistication. With its refined styling, impressive feature set and focus on driver and passenger well-being, it represents what modern luxury should be. As Genesis evolves, so too does its flagship sedan, and the G80 continues to push the envelope in all the right ways. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest in luxury cars, performance, vehicles and in-depth automotive insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us bring more detailed reviews like this on here on Auto Avenue Sphere.